Before working on your DeLonghi Portable Air Conditioner, safety is the top priority. The unit must be completely turned off and unplugged from the electrical outlet. Now we need to locate the air filter. In most DeLonghi portable air conditioners, the filter is positioned behind the intake grill, typically found at the back of the unit. However, some models may have the filter behind the front panel instead. Always check your specific model's manual for the exact location. Once you've located the filter area, you'll need to remove the intake grill or guard to access the filter. This grill typically has horizontal and vertical bars and can be removed by hand. To remove the grill, gently pull it away from the unit. Some grills may have clips or tabs that need to be pressed while pulling. Work carefully to avoid damaging the grill or the unit. With the grill removed, you can now see and access the air filter. Gently extract the filter from its housing, being careful not to shake or damage it. The filter may slide out or lift out depending on your model. Remember, filter placement and removal methods can vary between different DeLonghi models. Always consult your specific unit's manual for precise instructions to ensure safe and proper maintenance. First, inspect your filter to determine whether it needs cleaning or complete replacement. A visual comparison will help you decide the best course of action. For cleaning, start by using a vacuum cleaner to remove loose dust and debris. This initial step prevents particles from spreading during the water cleaning process. For heavily soiled filters, immerse the filter in warm water below 40 degrees Celsius. Rinse thoroughly and use mild detergent if necessary to remove stubborn dirt and grime. Critical step: ensure the filter is completely dry before reinstalling. A wet filter can damage your air conditioner and reduce its efficiency. If replacement is needed, purchase the correct replacement filter for your specific DeLonghi model from an authorized retailer or the DeLonghi website to ensure proper fit and performance. Now for reassembly, insert the clean or new filter into the filter housing, ensuring it fits securely. Replace the grill or front panel, making sure all components are properly aligned. Finally, plug the air conditioner back into the electrical outlet and turn it on. Test the unit to ensure proper operation. For optimal performance, clean your filter at least once a month or more frequently in dusty environments.